What's up, you guys? Welcome to the quick tutorial on how to unlock the Acosta patented 3-zipper technology. The first thing you want to do is find the inner metal zipper pullers. Now you can zip the outer metal zipper puller up completely and tuck it under the outermost leather puller. Once zipped, you have now officially locked your Acosta Luxo Backpack. Unlocking the bag is just as unique as locking it. While unzipping, you will notice the puller hits a block right here. To unlock, simply apply pressure to this block and continue. Then find the metal puller underneath and unzip. You will then notice another block in the path of the zipper. Use the same technique and apply pressure to continue. Once complete, you have now unlocked your Luxo Backpack. Make sure to tuck the metal pullers under the leather pullers for ease of access. We appreciate you and we hope you enjoy our technology. Contact us if more assistance is needed.